Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you one other based website. You can claim your free Zcash from that website instantly in your Faucetpay. You know about Zcash is available right now in the Faucetpay. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Okay, let's get started. This is the Zcash Faucet. Every 1 minute you can claim from here, and you can claim unlimited time without any second. Okay, just wait 1 minute. Every 1 minute you can claim. The first step, go to your Faucetpay, copy your Zcash wallet address from here and just come to this website. This website link available in description. Just paste it and just solve the captcha. After solving the captcha, just solve this later captcha too. Okay guys, after solving the captcha, just click it and wait some second and you can claim your reward. Okay? Just click get reward. Okay, wait few seconds. This website pay you instantly in your Faucetpay. Just go to your Faucetpay, check your wallet orders to this website pay. Okay, we come in our Faucet. Just reload the page. Okay, you can see I earned my 45 cents instantly in my Faucetpay. And thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos is a free way earning website, and this website link available in description. Bye bye for now.